it's Joelle and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be unboxing the pink Pewter monthly subscription box. I believe this is for June 2020. I had received it very quickly. I ordered it at the end of June and I received it within a few days, and it was before July, so I'm assuming this is the June box. Now I am so excited about this. For those of you who don't know, Pink Pewter is a hair accessories company. They do some salon tools, hair accessories mainly, but also some jewelry items and things like that. So I didn't even know they had a subscription box. And this box is only $24.99 a month. Whereas, and you're getting guaranteed $69.99 value in the box. Now some of her items, like her headbands, I know they could retail for $24.99. So I was super excited to find this. Yeah, so I'm really excited about it. And let's just get right into it. So this is what the box looks like. And for our first item, we have this adorable headband. And it has these little strings. Now these kind of things are becoming very popular again. They were popular for some time, a couple years ago. I remember seeing them a lot. But look at how cute that is. It's adorable. It's absolutely adorable. And the quality of everything is so beautiful. This actually has velvet, so it won't even like dent your hair when you're wearing it. So that's the first piece. For our second item, scrunchies are making a comeback. We have a animal print scrunchie. Now, scrunchies I've been seeing coming back. They're all over the place. And I'll be honest, I'm happy about it. I will not be wearing it on my wrist like I did when I was younger. However, they are a lot better for your hair than the black bands that we've been wearing for a while. Those kind of pull and tug. At least this has a little bit of softness to it, so it won't like necessarily pull your hair. And for our next item, we have another scrunchie, and it has these cute little tails on it. Now, I've been seeing these tails. They're showing a lot of these in the magazines. Now, I think they're really cute. I wouldn't necessarily, in fact, I have a few pieces like this, necessarily wear them with the tails on the top, which you could if you choose to, but they are super cute. Just like a cute little fun look. So that's beautiful. And next we have this hair clip right here, and this actually has a price on it, and it retails for $9.99. And it's pretty good quality, but I still think $9.99 is a little bit much for one clip. I do use these clips very often, like when I'm washing my face or doing my makeup or whatever, just to hold it out of the way. I got a few of these actually, very similar, and I happen to have them right here from Macy's Beauty Box, and that was in that was a couple months ago, and I use them all the time, so I definitely will get use out of this. And for our last item, we have this, and this is a headband, and it's black. It'll go with anything. So I guess the theme was for this month was animal print, but this actually matches my outfit right now. So, see, just look how cute that is. And just a little something. And like I said, the quality is beautiful. Yeah. Just a little something. A little razzle dazzle. Add a little razzle dazzle to your life. So that is the Pink Pewter monthly subscription. I am so excited about this, and I can't wait to see the following month. July should be coming. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will leave a referral link down below in case you guys want to check it out, and I hope you have a beautiful, blessed day. Bye.